Hey guys, how y'all doing? I wanted to make a video for you guys so that we having this problem with this 2019 Dodge Challenger. What's happening is the customer told it in. They said they can jump it, it'll start, and if they shut it off, cut the car off and come back into it, no start, no crank, no starts. So we're thinking it's a number of things. Could be starter. It could be a bad relay or blown fuses, but there was something we can rule out. So when you put the jumper on it, it works, it starts. But when it runs, I noticed when we're testing it, I got the power probe here on it. It's not power probe, but it's likely it's from Snap-on, same thing. You notice that I got it plugged into the battery while the vehicle's running, and it's only having like 11.3. That tells us right away the charging system is not working. Either the alternator is bad, or the fuse is blown, or some kind of cut off wire is bad somewhere. Some wire cut off along the way. And of course, we got two testers to make sure that we're not just guessing this. So this is a power probe. You notice that they have 11.3. Now the battery tester also has a charging system test on it as well. Notice that while the vehicle's running, it's also almost about 11 volt on this one as well. So that look close. The power probe says that 11.3, and of course the other tester says 11. So that's close enough. So obviously both here telling us our charging system here is not working. So we're going to figure out how to what's the problem, what's causing that, and then we'll check all the fuses. As you got two fuse box in this vehicle on a 2019 Dodge Charger with a 6.2 liter. So, but there is an alternator fuse. I've already checked that. It was good. So I went to the alternator. As we're gonna go, we're gonna walk forward the vehicle right here. That's the other fuse box in the engine compartment. We're gonna move that. And of course, we're gonna do all the tests that necessary we need. Now with this power probe here, with this tester, I can actually just stick that right down there. See that wire going down here? That's the alternator wire that comes back from the back of the alternator. We can test it from there, directly from that, because that's supposed to have at least 12 volts going back to the battery. I mean, excuse me, not 12 volts. We're supposed to be having about 14 volts coming, 14.5. We went from 13.5 to 14.5. We're good. We can do the test from that, and we just choose not to do it yet, and we'll see what we can do to figure out this problem. As you notice that even because the alternator is not putting out charge, look at the car's actually overheating right now. You can see the smoke coming out. Why? Well, now you know voltage to turn the cooling fans on. The cooling fans not going on, so we got to shut this car off ASAP before any problem happens. So that's what happened. That could happen to all of us. So the primary thing you do is do the test, and we'll show a video where we test it and find the problem. And I can show you real quick with this video here. You notice this right here at the back of this, I'm getting a ground signal on the probe, 11.3 volts. So that's the problem right there. So obviously the alternator is not putting out any any charging voltage into the battery. So there we have it. We're gonna test it out and figure out everything out for it. We'll show a video in the next one to show you how we fix it and how we find the problem. Thank you.